Today, I'm gonna try and finish up this side. So we got some thunderstorms coming in. They shouldn't affect me much, but if it cuts out power again, obviously I won't be able to weld. So we'll see. Alright, well, as you can see, I got all the outriggers on this side and the D-rings all welded up as well. So now I want to fill these little holes here on the end. I have one on each side. And I'm going to do it the same way I typically do for everything else. I am going to make a paper template. Now we'll make some steel ones. All right, now I've got these two pieces I trimmed to fit and got them held in with magnets. Now it's time to weld. Ugh. Alright, now I got some lights here from TrueScale RC. They're going to match the ones on the back of the truck, so they're going to be clear. Mainly because they didn't have enough of these little red guys, or these red guys, one of them in red when I went to order them. So I'm going to put them on here like your normal trailer configuration. Nothing special as far as where they're going. So I'm going to have 3 little ones in the middle, 3 large ones on either side. All I need to do now is mark them. So let's see here. What do I want to do? Let's try and find the center here. Let's go with that. Let's go with that. Now I'll take my scale. Now let's try and square up this one on the end so it looks like it's in the corner. There we go. We'll do the same with that guy. And that's how we'll determine our 2 end ones. Now I'll go the same distance in on this beam for my next one. Same there. And now we'll find the center of those. Right there. Do the same thing on this side. Boom. Now I'm gonna set this down because my arm's getting tired. This is heavy. All right, now I want to find the middle of the trailer. It's probably gonna be about there. So let's see. Whoa, my eye is on the money today. So that's gonna be that center light. All right, well, there's all my light spots. Now I need to drill them all. So the big one gets 5/16. Little guy gets a 13/64, which I don't have. So this one here is a number 6 bit, which is a 0.204. Which 13/64 maths out to 0.203. So 1,000's different, should be fine, we'll find out. Now I'm gonna pilot them all and then drill them to size. All right, now the little guy. Now, they're all drilled to receive these beautiful little lights. One thing that you can't see is that in this beam I put a hole in the ends, and then in this I put a hole there, and then I put some holes all the way down through. So it's not gonna be fun to route these lights through that little hole and all down and up out of that hole there, but it's solid and it should be possible. That's just gonna be tricky. Now tomorrow, all I really have to do is to get the wood figured out. The reason I want to do that before I paint this is just so that way I can drill and tap some holes. Probably gonna end it up on the forward and aft ones of these. Make a little tab with a tapped hole that I can weld onto here and here. Just so that way when I put the sideboards on, they'll be attached front and rear. When I don't, they're just hanging out. But that's it. So tomorrow, let's try to get the weather permitting. I want to do that outside. I don't want to fill my garage with dust. So weather permitting, tomorrow I'll get my wood figured out, and we'll get it taken apart. Well, by taking apart I mean get the wheels and tires off so I can paint it, because that's as taken apart as I want to do. So I might pop some more, a couple extra holes in some of these too, to get my wiring into these, because I never did that. I got kind of lazy, so I'll probably take a little grinder and knock some holes, and that way it'll be all ready to run all the lights, battery, and everything that I'll need, and have some beautiful wood. Beautiful wood. So there's all of those. Beautiful. Then get around the back. Got your light holes in there. Might try and find my mud flaps too tonight. The ones that came with that truck, that I didn't put on that truck, because where the hell are they gonna go, right? And I'll put them on the back here. So I'll probably look for those tonight, figure that out tomorrow. But otherwise, that's it for today.